Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious iced tea at home, inspired by Ranveer Brar's easy guide. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need good quality black tea, either bags or loose leaf, fresh water, your favorite sweetener, and plenty of ice. Don't forget some fresh lemons or other fruits for garnish and extra flavor. This simple setup ensures a refreshing drink. Now, let's brew the tea. For every 8 ounces of water, use 1 tea bag or 1 teaspoon of loose leaf tea. Heat your water to about 200 degrees Fahrenheit, just below boiling. Steep the tea for 3 to 5 minutes. This is crucial for flavor extraction without bitterness. Once steeped, remove the tea bags or strain the loose leaves immediately. Next, it's time to sweeten and chill. While your tea is still warm, stir in your preferred sweetener until it fully dissolves. This could be sugar, honey, or a sugar substitute. Then, let the tea cool down completely to room temperature. This step is important to avoid diluting the flavor when it meets the ice. Finally, pour it over plenty of ice. Your homemade iced tea is ready to enjoy. Garnish your glass with fresh lemon slices, a sprig of mint, or even some berries for an extra touch. Feel free to experiment with different types of tea, like green tea or herbal blends, to discover new favorites. Any leftover iced tea can be stored in the refrigerator for up to 3 days, keeping it fresh.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.